Lindsey, we are certainly counting down and hoping the team gets the win today.
Oh, I know. It's a doubleheader here in downtown Indy between the Colts and then we've got, of course, the Pacers later today, 5 o'clock for that. I think it's going to be a lot better outside come Pacers time versus what's out there right now. It's kind of sloppy, but it's much needed rainfall. It is. Yeah, a good portion of the state still under a severe drought, especially northern Indiana, but I think everybody will take the rain that we're currently getting, and we are still adding to these totals. Over a half an inch of rain has fallen in the Indianapolis metro. That official report from the Indianapolis International Airport out on the west side of town. Shelbyville is now approaching an inch of rain in the past 24 hours as rain is still actively falling there. And we've still got some spotty showers over near Bloomington. Now at this point reporting over 3/4 of an inch of rainfall. So this has been a pretty significant rain event. Still looking at some showers out there as we speak. The more organized rain now falling on the eastern side of the metro. This does include portions of Hancock County, getting ready to move into Henry County, all throughout Rush County. Pretty organized rain at this point, even some pockets of some heavier rainfall embedded within that. It's mainly impacting the southeastern part of the state, and this is basically where we've got a warm front that's stalled out, keeping the rain going from Seymour down to Bedford. Now this is slowly but surely going to work its way off to the east today. Noticing that we are still sitting in the warm sector of this weather system, basically in between the warm front and the cold front. Until this boundary comes through, we will see some drier air eventually moving in, but that's basically why that is the part of the state receiving the rain versus other parts of the state like up northwest where the rain has already moved out. So we're continuing to watch some of these weather cameras where we start to see a clearing take place. Does look like over in Crawfordsville, rain has for the most part wrapped up there. We will slowly see the sky clearing, but I'm not anticipating seeing much sunshine until this afternoon, primarily after about 1 o'clock. So the Colts tailgate again over the next few hours. If you're still planning on heading downtown, I would be rain gear ready. Although the heaviest of the rain has wrapped up, it'll be pretty damp still as temperatures recover back through the 60s. Eventually, we will be in the mid 60s for kickoff today. That sky gradually clearing for the rest of the afternoon as temperatures recover back into the upper 60s for highs. That is well above average for this time of year. Here's our latest high resolution weather model that shows us this timeline of the rain exiting. This is around noon today. Eventually, as we fast forward to about 4 o'clock, still hanging on to perhaps a stray shower and clouds in eastern Indiana. The rest of us, though, already seeing that sky clearing, and then that will be the trend on into the evening tonight. Clearing skies will make way for some cooler temperatures overnight. 44 by Monday morning, 60 for our Veterans Day, and 52 on Tuesday after a frosty start will be the coolest day in the extended forecast.